Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nanda Fitria. I'm from 5th semester. I will explain about the article for the final exam reading purpose for the examination reading professional purpose. Okay, the first one is what is the title? The title is Critical Thinking Values in Religious Narrative GDA of ELT Learning Materials for Young Learners. And why I choose the article? I'm interested in the article because it discussion thinking among young learners. Nowadays, critical thinking has been emphasized from a young age, starting from the elementary school, especially in international school. As the international school standard highly the importance of equipping children with cognitive skill needed to face the complexities of life. The article also explains how to engage in critical thinking without disregard moral values. For example, at the elementary school or madrasah ibtidaiyah level, students are often exposed to Islamic discourse. This exposure helps students become accustomed to moral-based discussion, which enhance their critical thinking skill while upholding values of politeness and ethnic. And the difficult word, I think I found the transitivity, and the second one is metafunction, the third one is modalization, the fourth one is thematic structure, and the fifth is empirical, the sixth one is epistemological. And I will explain about the some keywords. The first one is critical thinking. Critical thinking is the emphasis to the mind, which we can the acts are the give opinion about the topic with my words. The English is a language such as like the Indonesia English is a second language, and the English is language international. Young learners is a student in age range from the 3 to 18 years maybe, and the young learners is student to study in the school or college. Religion story is like the story about mujizat prophets such as Muhammad, such as Prophet Ibrahim, such as the Prophet Isa alaihi salam, and the story about the politeness in religion. And the introduction is critical thinking within the context of the children. Elementary school education is a fundamental aspect of early childhood education. International education standard increasingly prioritize equipping children with the cognitive skill needed to navigate complex environments, necessitating educators to explore new approaches to incorporate critical thinking concepts into the curriculum and the learning materials from an early age. The researchers used the method with the investigation qualitative approach was adopted as it allows the researchers to gain detailed insight into the linguistic and discursive features of the text and their effects on learners and teaching approach, and to emphasize lexical choice, their relation to critical thinking and research aimed to explore how the religion story is organized to encourage critical thinking within ELT for elementary student school. The finding is the concept of critical thinking is frequently associated with problem solving and inquiry-based learning activities, and it also involves skills such as finding clues, asking effective questions, deeply considering the context and concept of the subject. And the conclusion is the study explored using a religion narrative from Ibrahim, the father of prophets, story to develop critical thinking in ELT for young learners, and research employed a qualitative approach utilizing SFL and CDI to examine aspects of the story that promote critical thinking and to understand how ELT teachers perceive, interpret, and apply this aspect in a classroom setting. And the last one is I will explain about reference. So many reference in the article. Maybe I to tell some reference. The first one is some discourse best suggest that both critical thinking skill in ELT classes. The second one is toward dialogue teaching, rethinking classroom talk. The third is challenging the status quo, critical thinking skill integration in the EFL curriculum of young learners, Journal of Curriculum and Teaching. Maybe enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.